Hello and welcome. You are watching Freeology Revision. In today's video, we are looking at AQA Psychology, Paper 1. Topic 1, Attachment. In this video we will be talking about Bowlby's monotropic theory of attachment. Bowlby's theory is sometimes referred to as an evolutionary theory. It suggests that attachment is a quality which has evolved, through natural selection, to increase the chance of survival through proximity-seeking behavior. This means infants and caregivers are biologically programmed with innate behaviors to ensure that attachment occurs. Attachment is important for a child's survival. Traits which offered our ancestors a survival or reproductive advantage in our environment of evolutionary adaptation would be passed on to offspring. As babies are defenseless and unable to find food and shelter for themselves, they are highly dependent and require constant care. Therefore, the infant would benefit from a biological mechanism that could keep their parent close to them. Humans without such adaptations would have died out. Social releases. To ensure attachment occurs, infants have developed characteristics known as social releases, behaviors or characteristics that elicit caregiving. For example, having large eyes and round features to appear cute, crying when upset, smiling. A child forms a monotropic bond with their primary caregiver. This concept of monotropy suggests that there is one relationship which is more important than all the rest. It is of special significance in emotional development because this is what the internal working model of the infant will be based on. An internal working model is a mental model of the world which relates to a person's expectations about how they and others should act in all future relationships, and what to expect from relationships. It's a cognitive framework comprising mental representations for understanding the world, self and others. A person's interaction with others is guided by memories and expectations from their internal model which influence and help evaluate their contact with others. There are three main features of the internal working model. 1. A model of others as being trustworthy. 2. A model of the self as valuable. And 3. A model of the self as effective when interacting with others. Around the age of 3 these seem to become part of a child's personality and thus affects their understanding of the world and future interactions with others. The continuity hypothesis states that emotionally secure infants go on to be emotionally secure, trusting and socially confident adults. Therefore, if no attachment occurs or the individual develops a faulty internal working model from a young age, this could very well negatively impact the rest of their lives. Finally, Bowlby suggests that attachment takes place during a critical period, of between 3 to 6 months. It is suggested that, if a child does not form an attachment before the critical period has ended, attachment will not occur. There is a continuing risk up to 2.5 years of age.